In this new Feature 2024 tutorial video, you will learn how to change font style and size for schedules. It is important to show the content of the schedule in the 4D videos clearly. Now, you can edit the font size and style to increase readability of the schedule. The objective of this video is to change the schedule text from Arial to Calibri and increase text size. Go to 4D Simulation and Settings. There is a Task Font option right above the Autofill Duration option. Click the box on the right. Choose Calibri for font, bold for font style, and type in 24 for size. This is the result. All text in the schedule will be changed. The schedule in the fly-through is also updated. Thank you for watching.